Toyota has taken its electric BZ platform and transformed it into something completely different, the BZ Time Attack. This concept wasn't built for comfort, city driving, or range testing. It was built to show what happens when you take an everyday EV and re-engineer it for pure track-focused performance. Every detail, every modification has a purpose. Nothing here is about luxury. It's all about speed, grip, and control. The foundation of this build is the familiar Toyota BZ4X, but almost nothing from the original crossover remains untouched. Toyota lowered the chassis significantly, widened the stance, and stripped away unnecessary weight. The result is a machine that looks aggressive and feels planted, more like a dedicated race car than a daily driver. The idea was simple: take Toyota's electric architecture and see how far it could go under real motorsport conditions. For the powertrain, Toyota kept the dual-motor all-wheel drive setup, but completely reworked the tuning. The software, motor control systems, and power delivery have been recalibrated to push the combined output well beyond stock levels. Over 400 horsepower in total. The torque vectoring logic has also been adjusted, allowing the car to send power instantly to whichever wheel provides the most grip. The goal here isn't just straight-line speed, but balance, stability, and the ability to attack corners with precision. Suspension was a major focus. The BZ Time Attack rides on custom TEIN coilovers, offering full adjustability for track conditions. The suspension geometry was tuned to handle high lateral loads and maintain contact through tight corners. A chromoly roll cage stiffens the body structure and provides FIA-grade safety. The wheels are BBS-forged alloys, wrapped in high-grip Continental racing tires, designed for maximum cornering force. This combination gives the car the precision and response expected from professional time attack racers. Toyota didn't overlook braking. The car uses Alcon racing brakes with large rotors and performance pads to handle repeated hard stops without fading. The regenerative braking system is also recalibrated for track use, giving the driver more predictable pedal feel and better control through corners. Together, the mechanical and electronic systems work to keep the car consistent and confident lap after lap. Aerodynamics are another major change. Toyota fitted the BZ Time Attack with a complete aero package, including a deep front splitter, sculpted side skirts, and a large rear diffuser. On top, an adjustable rear wing generates serious downforce, keeping the car stable at high speed. The body is wider, the fenders are flared, and some components are even 3D printed to reduce weight. Everything here is functional, not for style but for performance. The car's stance is low, wide, and aggressive, signaling that it belongs on a circuit, not a boulevard. The purpose behind the BZ Time Attack is straightforward: research and development. Toyota built this concept to learn how electric systems behave in extreme conditions. Engineers are studying how batteries manage heat, how motors respond to continuous stress, and how EVs can be fine-tuned for racing environments. The lessons from this project will directly influence future Toyota EVs, including potential GR-branded performance models. The BZ Time Attack isn't about numbers or records. It's about understanding what's possible and preparing for a new generation of electric performance vehicles. In essence, Toyota's BZ Time Attack is not a showpiece. It's an experiment made real. It represents the transition of electric cars from quiet commuters to serious track contenders. Every adjustment, every modification is a step toward merging Toyota's racing DNA with its future in electrification. This concept doesn't just prove that EVs can perform, it shows that they can thrill, challenge, and evolve, just like any combustion-powered machine ever did.